Vegan versus non-vegan, the ultimate recipe showdown. Welcome, food lovers. Get ready for a tantalizing taste test where vegan creations go head-to-head with their non-vegan counterparts. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or a meat lover, this comparison will dazzle you with flavor and leave you hungry for more. Whether it's substituting almond milk for cow's milk or tofu for chicken, each change can transform a dish. Watch as we recreate beloved classics and unveil how simple swaps can boost flavor and nutrition, proving plant-based cooking is both accessible and exciting. Feeling inspired? Choose your side or master both in your own kitchen experiments. Share your culinary creations with us by tagging #vegan versus non-vegan challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Let's reshape the way we think about eating, one recipe at a time.